Guys, I checked the weather for tornado chances and only a 10% chance, and that's very high. The highest for a tornado is 60% chance, which comment down below if you think there's going to be a tornado. Those are how the cloud looks. Perfect tornado clouds. If you can realize, they're actually kind of moving fast, so maybe a tornado. Let's go check outside. Oh, it actually thunderstormed earlier today.
Been raining all day.
Most of Ohio's in the 10% chance, which we're in the 10% chance. Someone's in a 10% chance of a tornado / twister. But anyways, I'll get back to you whenever I get farther up there. Peace.